This video will review features available to participants within Zoom. We recommend all participants use the desktop or mobile app to join meetings. To download the Zoom desktop app, go to ryerson.zoom.us. Select the link under Getting Started and click the download link for your device. Once participants have installed the Zoom desktop app, they can sign in using SSO. Enter Ryerson, which will allow participants to log in using their My Ryerson credentials. Participants are now ready to use the Zoom desktop app. TAs, professors, or supervisors will provide an invite link over email or D2L Brightspace. Zoom will automatically be launched when the link is clicked. If the meeting is being recorded, a notification will appear, and participants may be required to consent to recording by responding to a pop-up. In the bottom menu, participants can mute and unmute their audio. It is best to mute your audio when joining meetings and only unmute when required. In the bottom menu, participants can also turn their camera on and off. Participants can click the arrow beside the camera to access additional video settings. If choosing to have your camera off, consider adding a profile picture. To upload a photo, sign in at ryerson.zoom.us and then go to Profile. Select Change and then Upload. If for any reason participants need to change their display name, they can click the three dots in the corner of their rectangle in the gallery and select Rename and then OK. During the meeting, select Participants in the bottom menu. This will provide access to several buttons that allow participants to interact with the host. Participants can raise their hand, answer questions, and help the host determine the pacing of the class. In the bottom menu, select Reactions to respond with emojis. Using nonverbal cues like raising hands and reactions is not recommended for classes with more than 45 students, as it would require hosts to go through several pages to see what all participants are doing. In chat, participants can interact with the host directly or everyone in the meeting at once. Participants may also be able to individually message people depending on the host's preferences. The chat box will show messages from the regular meeting and breakout rooms. If participants leave and rejoin the meeting, they will no longer see what was in the chat previously. The host may choose to open breakout rooms. Depending on the host's preferences, participants may automatically be moved or a pop-up will appear. If a pop-up appears, they will need to select Join. Otherwise, participants will remain in the main session. If the host has given participants access, they may be able to share their screen. Participants can also share their screen with others in breakout rooms. To do so, they can select Share Screen from the bottom menu. Choose the window they'd like to share and select Share. The host may ask participants to add annotations to their shared screen. Once they give access to annotation tools, select View Options and then Annotate. The annotation toolbox will appear. Participants can do things such as draw and add text.